McQuaid again. He'll try it from the wing. This time, yes.
Don't leave him alone. Razdakis fell asleep, and why not? Fluence, but boy, there's so much depth and character, that guy.
McQuaid comes out of the break and hits a three. McQuaid left alone. Wow, can't do that.
Razdakis just relaxed a little, not a good closeout. Nice find.
Far side of McQuaid. He loads up and hits it. Both those wins by the Spartans, second half comebacks. McQuaid.
You can't overhelp like that.
Again, McQuaid. Oh, my goodness.
What a find. Boy, the defense, I just think they're overreacting on the help.
That man right there on fire, lifting his team.
McQuaid.
Sticking it big time. How about rising? Raising that level.
How about 27 points?
Tape.
There you are, your Big Ten champions once again. For the 6th time, it's Michigan State.
How about Matt McQuaid and what he did today?
Matt McQuaid's a senior. You know, seniors are supposed to step up. The shots he made and the way he did it was unbelievable.